As a website developer, one of your main functions will be to add different features to a website. Let me show you a typical problem with a website like this, which was built for a real estate agent, and how I solved that problem. If you would recall, I created a consultation form that is on the website, and that consultation form collects leads and qualifies them. Now, the owner of the business wants the website to send out automatic email responses based on different things that the user may have selected in the form. For example, if the user selected that they're a buyer and then they also went on to say that they are already pre-approved and that they have their deposit ready, then this email will be sent out. If the user is a buyer and they're not yet approved, then this email will be sent out. And so there are different conditions that will trigger the type of automatic response that that user will get. Because this is an added feature and I don't want it to be specific to the theme, I created a plugin. So this is a custom plugin that I created from scratch called Consultation Automation, which will automate the sending of these conditional emails to the user. The plugin has a number of files, but I'm just going to show you two aspects that will explain the flow. First is the email decision. So this is where all the decisions are being made based on the options that the user selected. First, we're checking to see if the service is buying. Then we're also going to check to see if the person is pre-approved and if they have their deposit. If all of this is true, then we're going to return buyer ready. This is the name of the template. So if I go into email templates and I go all the way up here, you will see the buyer ready template. And within this template here, you will see that we have the email that should be sent out if it meets all the conditions that we just saw over here in the decision section. And if I scroll down, you'll see different sections checking to see what the user is selecting. In addition to this, all the emails are being stored in a database, so you can see all the outgoing emails that the website sends. And all of this is being managed by the cron. So now when a user fills out the form and select the various options, depending on what those options are, they will get an email that is tailored specifically to the options that they chose. And this is a much better user experience and will go a long way to actually nurturing the lead that is coming through the website. From here, you can add so many different things to the plugin to make it better. One of the most important things that you might consider is adding a delay time. So if somebody fills out the form, you don't have the response sent right away, you can delay it by 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever it is that you want. And it will seem more meaningful. It will make the user feel like you sat down and you typed out that email and you send it to them. So pretty exciting stuff. I'm going to go ahead and finish working on this. And I hope this information helped. So I'll see you in the next video.